old school Vans.
That was so aggressive. Who says that? Did I do something wrong? This is like the perfect outfit. Hello, this is clearly not the same day. This is actually a day later, but when I was editing my video, I deleted the entire intro, like 5 minutes worth of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and intro this video now. This is a little Sunday in my life vlog. I'm just taking you guys through like a typical Sunday in my life, honestly. Every Sunday, and when I say Sunday, I mean Saturday, because Saturdays are my Sunday. Every Sunday is different for me. This is just one example of like one Sunday in my life. It's a cute little vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. If you are not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up before you even press play. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the OOTD. This dress is from Aritzia. I got it like 2 or 3 years ago. It is one of my absolute favorite dresses. I can link it down below for you guys if you want to check it out. This little top cover up button down thingy is from Lulu's. It is one of my favorite. I know you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, but like, are we really following that rule anymore? I don't know. I'm wearing white. I like it. These earrings are from Francesca's, I believe. Necklace. I have no clue. My boyfriend bought it for me. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put on my new platform Vans that I bought at Georgetown last week. And this is a little OOTD. We felt like being cute today and putting on makeup and looking like a human. Okay, these were the shoes that I was talking about. These just took me forever to put on because I forgot that I had to lace both of them up, but they are the old school Vans. Almost said Converse. They're not Converse, they're Vans. You guys have probably seen me wear similar ones, actually the exact same pair but a little bit more yellow. I bought new ones because the other ones were yellow, and I wanted like a new pair of white street shoes that weren't the Air Force ones that everyone is wearing right now. I'm at a red light. I just got back from Walmart. I decided to pick up everything that I needed to, the majority of what I needed to get from Walmart, just because it is cheaper than Target, and Walmart's 2 minutes from my house. I just needed like dry shampoo, makeup wipes, vitamins, and everything else. And now I'm headed to Target to pick up some nighttime tea that I want to try. I think I'm also gonna run to Home Goods because I know this is super basic, but I'm really into those coffee table books that are trending right now, like the Vogue and Chanel and like the high-end fashion coffee table books. So I'm going to head to Home Goods to see if I can find one. Last time I went to Home Goods, it was an experience and a half, so hopefully it's less chaotic today, although I do need to stop going on Saturdays because I just need to stop going on Saturdays. Like, if I want it to be less chaotic. I'm literally off Thursday through Saturday, and I decide to go Saturday. That's honestly my own fault, but I'm gonna go try to pick up like a Vogue coffee table book because I have a vision for it to go under like the marble vase that I put on the edge of my dresser, along with the seashells and the perfume. We just have a whole vision. I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's complete, but that is what I'm on the hunt for now. And then I also need to get lunch because I haven't eaten breakfast or anything. I've literally only had coffee today, and your girl is shaken. Home Goods was a bust, and so was Pier 1 because I went back in there after my experience last time. If you guys are not caught up on that, go watch about like 2 or 3 vlogs back. I had quite the experience in Pier 1 and Home Goods, and it wasn't any less chaotic today than it was back then. But I'm starving, so I got Panera. I love getting the pick twos. I always get a salad and half a sandwich. My order is the Caesar salad without chicken, and then I get the, what is it called? The Chipotle chicken avocado melt? I don't know, but it's so good. I'm gonna eat this now because I'm freaking starving, and it looks so good. Look at this. Ooh, she cute. And the salad, I'm gonna eat the salad first, but I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna head back home and unload everything that I got the store day. And then I don't know what I'm doing. I may finish off a grad school essay that I'm completing because I started them yesterday, and I finished one, and I finished my grad school resume, and the lighting's weird, I apologize for that. And then I have a second one to write. Why they want 2 essays, I have no clue, but I have to finish off a second one, and I just want it to be completed. I want it done with. It's been haunting me in my sleep for weeks. I swear to God, this is like one of the reasons why I haven't been sleeping great lately. So I really want those finished. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and then head back home. This lighting is wild, and so is my hair, but I am beyond bored, so I decided that I was going to make some peanut butter cookies. I found this recipe on Food Network, on the Food Network Kitchen app. It's easy peanut butter cookies. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one in my house that was gonna end up eating these, but it's super simple. The only ingredients I need are peanut butter, sugar, light brown sugar, kosher salt, pure vanilla extract, and 1 large egg, and that sounds simple enough. So we're gonna go ahead and make these. They look delicious. Can you guys see that? Let's go ahead and I'll just take you guys with me as I do that. This is turning into a baking channel. I feel like I've made cookies on here so much lately, but that's really all that we have to do because what else am I gonna do, you know? Okay, so I set the oven to 350 degrees. Now I need to get out all of these ingredients. I don't even know where any of this is, so let's go find that. I have absolutely no clue what the difference between kosher salt and regular salt is, or granulated sugar and regular sugar. I'm totally gonna make these sound really dumb, but I just don't know the difference. So we're gonna use regular. Gunnar, why are you talking like that? I really ask for your assistance. That's what he does when he wants ice. All right, quick cooking break to give you ice. Be gentle, hey, be gentle. We have the massive KitchenAid mixer out, and I need to combine all of the sugars, salt, and then peanut butter in a large mixing bowl. So we have a large mixing bowl. I need to get peanut butter. We're using Jif creamy peanut butter. This recipe calls for chunky, but I am not a chunky peanut butter girl. So we're gonna do this. It's gonna be so satisfying. 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm gonna scoop that into the bowl. Oh, this is gonna be such a pain in the butt to clean out later. 2/3 of granulated sugar. I need to make sure that this is sugar and not salt. Sugar. 2/3 cup of this. You never realize how unhealthy things are until you cook them yourself, and then you're like, yeah, that is a lot of sugar to be ingested. All right, now we need the brown sugar. Fun fact, when I was little, I used to think that this was literally like the best tasting thing ever. I would sneak into the cabinet and just eat spoonfuls of brown sugar, and honestly, I still think it's really good. I just don't do the creepy sneaking into the cabinet and eating the brown sugar out of the spoon thing anymore. Mainly because I wouldn't have to sneak it, and it's not as fun anymore if you don't have to sneak it, but I do think that brown sugar tastes way better than regular sugar. And that's just my personal opinion. I think it's an amazing little treat. Okay, now I need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For those of you that are following along with me, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, not 1/2 tablespoon. Learn from my mistakes. This is a teaspoon. Tablespoon looks a lot bigger. So 1/2 tablespoon, teaspoon of salt. And I need to mix it all together. Now I need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Perfect. And we need 1 egg. Literally, the best part about cooking is cracking the eggs. Did you fight with your siblings when you were younger about who gets to crack the egg? Or are you normal? So pour that in, and then I think that's it. So it says beat in the vanilla and the egg, and then once that's done, we start putting on the baking sheet. So that's easy enough. Alrighty, I'm not entirely sure if it's supposed to look like that, but mine does, so we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna bring it over here, and I'm gonna start rolling out the cookie dough onto this sheet. The instructions say, I'm gonna use my hand. You need to roll the cookie dough into a ball and then put some granulated sugar on top. So I'm gonna point this down at the sheet. Basically, I have to take, I think it's supposed to be stickier than this. I don't know if I did this right, but I need to roll into a ball. And then I put it down here, and then I need to take sugar and sprinkle sugar on top of the ball. And I'll do that until the whole sheet is filled, so let's fast forward to that. what they look like. Now I need to put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. These look so weird. I'm very intrigued to see how they turn out. Timer set, 12 minutes, start. There's 24 seconds left on the timer. Why do they look like that? Did I do something wrong? That does not look like the picture. Was I supposed to flatten them maybe? Why do they look like that? I genuinely have no clue why these cookies, hold on, sorry, I was watching Emma McDonald's vlog. I genuinely have no clue why these ones turned out like this. I don't even know if they're cooked all the way through, but it says to take it out when the bottom's brown, and the bottom is brown, and so is the top. So I tried to flatten these ones. I did like the little fork design type thing. I'm hoping these ones turn out better. As long as they taste good and I didn't mess it up too bad, but like looks absolutely nothing like the picture, so we'll see. The other ones are out of the oven. Honestly, squishing them didn't make them much better than these ones, but they taste like fine. They're not the best cookies I've ever had. They may be ugly on the outside, but at least they're good on the inside. I would call it like a half baking fail. Wasn't the best job I've ever made. Wasn't the worst. Third outfit of the day, because I have changed approximately 3 times today. First was the dress, second was the comfy outfit. These shoes are still my Vans. These jeans are from American Eagle. They are my favorite things ever, and they're always on sale, so you should definitely check them out on their website. This top is a new little sweater long sleeve that I got from Brandy Melville. It's kind of chilly outside, so I can finally wear it, which is nice. We love a nice chilly fall day because it's kind of gloomy. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is like the perfect outfit. I am headed to this little wine restaurant in my hometown that just opened up. I think it's called like Aroma 2. I don't know, I'll put the name down there. Super, super cute, and I am very excited to check it out. Sorry, that was my friend calling me to tell me that she was headed there. But yeah, I am getting ready to head there. I'm super excited to check out the wine. If you guys know me, I absolutely love wine. Shout out to my senior year wine class at Syracuse and the study abroad experience in Florence for making me a wine addict. But I'm gonna go ahead and head there now. What was up, you guys? I did not vlog any of last night. I didn't plan on vlogging any of last night, but I will insert a picture of the wine tasting bar right here just because it was a super, super cute location, and I would definitely recommend, if you guys are ever in the Northern Virginia area, to check it out. I'm not entirely sure if they have other locations near me. Anyways, it is Sunday, so it's now my Monday, and I am going to go ahead and end off this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Sunday in my life vlog, and I will see you guys next time.